In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Chrome bookmarks. Whether you're moving to a new computer, switching browsers, or restoring a backup, importing your bookmarks takes just a moment, and I'll walk you through two easy ways to do it. First, let's cover the most common method, importing from an HTML file. Use this if you previously exported your bookmarks and have them saved as a .html file. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots. Hover over Bookmarks, then select Import Bookmarks and Settings. A window will appear. From the drop-down menu, choose Bookmarks HTML file. Click Choose File, then navigate to the folder where your .html file is saved. Select the file, click Open, and then click Done. That's it. Your bookmarks will be imported instantly. If you don't see them right away, don't worry. I'll show you where they land in just a moment. Now let's look at importing directly from another browser like Microsoft Edge or Firefox. This is helpful if your bookmarks are still stored in that browser on the same device. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Bookmarks, and click Import Bookmarks and Settings. In the drop-down, select the browser you want to import from. Make sure Bookmarks or Favorites is checked, and then click Import. Chrome will copy your bookmarks directly, so there's no need to export a file first. After importing, you might wonder where everything went. If you already had bookmarks in Chrome, your newly imported ones will typically appear inside a folder named Imported or in Other Bookmarks. If your Chrome didn't have any bookmarks before, the imported items may show up right on the bookmarks bar. That's normal and simply reflects how Chrome organizes new entries. You can open the Imported or Other Bookmarks folder to review what came in, and you can rearrange or tidy things up later if you like. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you use the HTML method, double-check you selected the correct .html file, especially if you've exported more than once. If you imported from another browser, confirm you picked the right source in the drop-down. And if you notice duplicates, that can happen when importing the same set more than once. You can remove extras at your convenience. And that's all there is to it. With either method, your saved sites are now ready to go in Chrome.